Ajiriwa hapo wengi wataenda na pesa kwa siku ya leo.
Kwa dhimbele nyakura mgajwang riwruok mar pinje jowagunda the European Union ochiwo omenda mar kony moheo bilion 11.4 kata euros milion 72 mar konyo chenro mag bero alwora kokalo e yor mbui, arita kwe kod telo makare. Ogirimiti manochwe kogno gi jaloch jatend piny Kenya Rigathi Gachagua kod kamishna ma Europe e piny Belgium Ursula von der Leyen e nyasi motisi ni Global Gateway Summit. Gachagua elo jatend piny Kenya William Ruto nyiso yie mare ni tudruok e kind pinje ariyogo biro kelo ber ne piny Kenya kendo bero ngima oganda jo Kenya. Bende wacho ni jatend piny Kenya William Ruto nitiere kod dwaro mar medo bero winjruok e kind pinje jowagunda kaka yor nyayo dongruok e kind pinje ariyogo.
Kenya welcomes this statement of signature, which will be realized through the outlined priorities for the multi-annual EDICTIVE program 2021 to 2027. This collaboration marks a pivotal stride towards a brighter future for the Kenyan people. As we implement the Global Gateway, we are confident that sustainable development, security, and prosperity will rightfully take center stage in our development cooperation narrative going forward. This underscores the strong shared vision for a partnership that is best for our people and planet, and a future where our nation transitions into a green economy, prioritizing environmental sustainability. The EU's commitment is not just a partnership, it's a beacon of hope for a better, more prosperous Kenya. I reaffirm our collective dedication to this partnership.